ShortMeTina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. What's today's date? Today's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday, happy hump day. So we're just going to jump in really quickly with the stocks that I have to recap. Thank you for being here. That's the first thing. And two, I have this tendency to analyze a stock and then just completely forget about it. So today I kind of want to just recap and go over some of the stocks that I analyzed yesterday or this week. So we're going to start it off with ticker PHIO. I believe I did an analysis on this yesterday. This is a daily chart dating back to, it doesn't really matter, October of 2019. I just want to focus in on price action here to kind of illustrate or reinforce what I stated yesterday. So the stock actually gapped down. It was down really huge on the day, right? Down about 57%. And if you go to that analysis that I did yesterday, I said, well, and this could essentially be sort of like a part of your method. Who knows, right? I said stocks that generally shed anywhere from 40 to 60% in one day generally have a dead cat bounce between either the following trading day or the following trading week, right? I said they can potentially put up 10, 15, 20% on the day. So we closed today at 304, essentially putting up 6.67%. But when you calculate yesterday's close and today's high, you actually got a gain north of 10%. So again, reinforcing what I said yesterday, when stocks shed, generally speaking, not always, when stocks shed anywhere from 50 to, not 50, you know, a large percentage in one day, 40, 50, 60, 70%, chances are you're going to get that dead cat bounce at some point, right? It does not necessarily mean that the stock is a great one, but you're just going to get that bounce, and then usually the decline continues, all right? What else? All right, so let's follow up with ticker WORK daily chart. Like I indicated, this is actually a trade we took in the premium member community. It worked for us. This stock right here, and I've highlighted here, is essentially trading within a range. You can see the green light represents, the green arrow or line represents support, the purple resistance. Again, easy to trade a channel cycling through. We ended up buying at support. Stock actually broke through support, it broke through resistance a couple of days ago, going as high as $23. So it's definitely a huge win in our community. And then it has since shed, or it since has pulled back. Now we closed at 25.81, but the key here is, look at this. You see this purple line here, resistance, now support. You can see that the stock is actually respecting that. Look what happened today, right? We actually pulled back to around a low of 24.87, and then you had that bounce. Essentially, you could say for the past 2 days it's respected once resistance, now support, this purple line here. You can look at the day before. We went as low as 24.33. We bounced. Today we went as low as 24.87, and then we bounced, right? Essentially should be signaling to you that 24, for now anyway, is a sweet spot for traders, all right? Just wanted to illustrate that with work. As long as it can remain above this once resistance, now support line, I am relatively bullish. What else? All right, and then we have to go REXN daily chart. It's off about 9% on the day, closed at 333. I'm not sure what's going on in after hours, but I do want to once again reinforce the point that I've been trying to make since the beginning of the year or late last year, that, you know, a good indicator of whether or not a stock is going to actually continue its run or decrease, you want to pay attention to how the stock closed the previous day and how it opens up the following trading day, for example. Anyway, so let's look at how ticker REXN closed yesterday. It closed at 366. Where did it open up? It opened up at 312. So again, opened up below the previous day's close, which should have signaled to you potential downside, which actually happened today with the stock shedding north of 10%. All right, just wanted to illustrate that point. What else? All right, so let's cap it with ticker CSPR. Hourly chart dating back to essentially when the stock IPO. Disclaimer, this is actually a trade we took in the premium member community. I believe I did an analysis on Casper a few days ago, and I indicated, and you can go back and watch that video, I said, well, a good cue that the selling has subsided, or for me, it looked like the selling has subsided based on the range of the candles. And I said, well, another good indicator to go long would be that first green candle, right? And the first green candle after I did that video actually came yesterday February 11th, with the low clocking it at 973 and the high clocking it at 1004. So if you calculate that move to a high today of 1063, that's actually a sizable gain, right? That's about $1 for every share that you own. And this is also just to illustrate that, I mean, study this, right? So for me, again, how I tend to know when selling is sort of waning or subsiding as a stock is when I start to see it trading within a range, and also trading sideways within a range and trading within a restricted range. Okay, hope that makes sense. I'm a little exhausted, had a long day. If it doesn't, comment in the comment section. I'll try to do a follow-up, but for today, this is all I have. All right, so we're gonna cap it there. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section, and again, like the video. 2, I do analysis every single day. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And 3, really quickly, I've been trading for a long time, about 20 years. And right now on our website, I'm hosting a free 14-day trading course where I kind of talk about, I talk about the things that I've learned, some of the things that I did wrong, some of the things that I did correctly, and I'm sharing that, again, for free, no credit card required. All I ask is for your email address so I can know where to send those lessons to. So if that is something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. See you tomorrow.